We will test our revolutionary security paper and foot gate with our patent EM gate antenna, which with sub-channel alarm function. Firstly, I pass through our EM gate antenna with the non-fold security paper, the only one channel which I passed through alarm. Secondly, I fold our security paper, then pass through our EM gate antenna alarm with only one channel. Thirdly, I fold our security paper once again, pass through our EM gate antenna, the antenna still alarm. Lastly, I put the folded security paper inside my shoes to test our foot gate. We can see when I pass through the antenna, it alarms. Thank you for watching. You will find more products by viewing our company website, SSLT RFID